When I first made this, I couldn't believe how simple and cheap ingredients turned into not your average cheesy baked potato. Now, I'm thrilled to share this amazing recipe with you. Let's get started with 1 kilogram of potatoes. Peel them up and chop into nice, even 2-centimeter cubes. Set those aside on a plate for now. Now, grab 100 grams of regular breadcrumbs. Mix in 1 teaspoon of dried garlic, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good stir. Next, melt 100 grams of butter. Pour that buttery goodness into the breadcrumb mix and combine thoroughly. The aroma is fantastic, and you can already tell this dish is going to be delicious. Keep watching very carefully. Spread the potato cubes on a baking tray. Drizzle the flavorful breadcrumb mixture over the potatoes and toss until they're all nicely coated. Spreading the potatoes well across the baking tray. Now, for a tasty twist, slice up some smoked sausages. Sure, you could fry them separately, but why bother? Let's keep it simple and bake everything together. Layer some cheese slices over the potatoes. Then add the sausage slices. More sausage means more flavor. Top it all off with a generous sprinkle of grated cheese. To add visual appeal to this potato pie, I sprinkle grated carrots on everything. Pop the tray into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake for 25-30 minutes. When it's done, sprinkle some fresh dill on top, and there you have it. If you don't have sausages, no worries. Enjoy your cheesy baked potato delight. Don't forget to leave a like, sub, share. Catch you next time.